Hello stakers globally, my name is Daily Mentor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our latest strategy, our latest PDF VFA Mentor 8, as you can see it on your screen. So this is our latest VFA Mentor 8, and these are winning screenshots recently for the VFL Mentor 8. So you can still get our instant allocator and secret video, both works fine, but the VFL Mentor 8 is the best strategy right now, and I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So if this is your first time for being to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop new posts, you guys will get notified. And if you want daily games and free games or VIP games, all you just need to do is to just join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. The link is in the description. My WhatsApp community link is in the description, or Telegram, anyone you use. The link is in the description. So without wasting any more time, let me just explain what this video is all about. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our latest strategy. Previously, we produced instant allocator PDF and secret video. We have VFA Mentor 7, and the VFA Mentor 7 have Bet Naija, Sportybet, and other betting sites. We have more than 5 PDF for the last update. But right now, we only have one latest PDF out right now, but we are going to produce more PDF, as you can see it on your screen. This is rollover mentor for those that like to roll over games, like maybe 2 odds. You can roll over 2 odds 10 times, 7 times, 8 times, as long as you want, as much as you want. And if you are using our VFA Mentor 8 and rollover mentor, you don't need to be afraid when you want to stake. Stake as fast, win as fast as possible, and log out. If you stake high, you will win high. If you stake low, your winning will be minimum, because you can't expect to use 1,000 naira to win 1 million. Is impossible. But if you have a capital of 50k upward, you can use it to turn, you can turn it to 500k, 400k, 500k, even 1M, because we have some people that turn 1k to 50k, 1k to 7k, 70k. So you can do that as well with our latest strategy, latest trick. So all you just need to do is to just subscribe. So right now I'm going to tell you the teams that this particular PDF are all about. The latest teams that are just promoted. We have Sunderland, we have Leeds, and we have Burnley. So those are the 3 teams that they just promote, right? So this strategy works for any teams, but those are the targeted teams that we focus on in this particular PDF. And with this PDF, you don't need to worry about losing again. All you just need to do is just subscribe to this channel, follow, turn on the bell notification, and subscribe to follow my Telegram channel, so that anytime I drop new post, because anytime I drop new post, I'm going to send it to Telegram or WhatsApp community first before I even upload it to YouTube. As you can see, my last upload was like few days ago. So but on Telegram and WhatsApp community, I update them every single day, unless I'm really busy. So now let's jump right into it. I'm going to take you to my screen, where I'm going to show you how I made the selection and how I turned 2,700 to 16k in 30 seconds. Let's just say 30 seconds, because the selection and everything is within the range of 30 seconds, and the highest is 4 minutes. Imagine turning 2,007 to 16k in 4 minutes. Now, if you can do that maybe 4 to 5 times a day, how much are you going to gain? So if you do that every day, how much are you going to gain per month? Okay, let's just say you use 27 to win, let's just say you use 27 to win 13k. So you made the profit of 10k, right? So now you are able to do this, the same step, you are able to do it every single day for 30 days straight. That is 300k per month. Some are even collect 20k, 30k per month. Some are even collect 40k per month. You are even earning more than some office worker if you are getting 300k per month by just sitting on your couch or on the chair at home and trading for like 4 minutes a day. 4 minutes, 5 minutes a day is enough to win massively, as long as you have the capital to back it up. So I'm going to take you to my screen right now, so that I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share. See you guys on my screen. All right, guys, so this is my screen. As you can see, this is the VFL Mentor 8 at the left part, and on the right part is my number. As you can see it at the down part of your screen. I'm going to show you how you can use the strategy well. So the video inside this at the middle is what you will focus on. So after selecting all the selection, you will stake it with the initial stake. We have low stake, high stake, and medium stake. So I'm going to use medium stake in this particular match in order to show you how you can do it the right way, when you can use this strategy, and how you can win massively using our strategy. So all you just need to do is to just purchase this particular VFL Mentor 8. You must purchase it. It is very, very important in order to use it to win massively like this. It's not easy to win like this every day unless you know the strategy. Once you know the strategy, everything else is easy for you. So now let's start this game to see how they do it. So we have Crystal Palace, Aston Villa, and other teams right now, and Arsenal is also there. Arsenal is a team that does not score much, but inside this particular match, Arsenal is going to produce this goal for me because I use VFL Mentor 8 PDF in order to win massively. So they've already produced most of the options that I gave them. The winning are playing winning, the over are playing over. So as you can see it on your screen, they are delivering the goals that I gave them. So let's see, we need one more goal from Liverpool, Man City, and Fulham. Boom, guys, all of them delivered. All of them delivered. That's a 16,900 naira win with two stake only. I only stake 2 games and I turn it to 16,945. As you can see it on your screen. This is a live bet, not showing you just winning screenshots. If I want to show you winning screenshots, I won't post this live bet. All you just need to do is just purchase this particular latest strategy. This is a latest strategy. You must get this latest strategy in order to win massively. If you want to get it, my number is at the right down part. So if you want to message me without going through the stress of writing my number, my WhatsApp channel is my WhatsApp community is in the description. All you just need to do is to just click on the link and join my community. Message the admin there and you are good to go. As for Telegram, once you enter my Telegram, follow my Telegram, then you'll be able to message the admin. I pin my number at the top, or you can send me a direct message. So as you can see, all the game what? All the game green. It is a what? It is a banger, just as Sharpest used to say. You can only get this PDF from me or Sharpest right now. The only way to get this PDF is from me or Sharpest. So all you just need to do is to just grab this PDF and you are good to go. You are going to receive my guidance. I'm going to guide you on how you can use this particular strategy, how you can win massively using this particular PDF so that you can make profits every single day. All you just need to do is just message the number in the right corner and you are good to go. So let me show you how the winning looks like. As you can see, I play 2 selection only. I play only 2 selection. First game give me 7,700 and the second game give me 9,200. I'm taking a screenshot now in order to post it on my WhatsApp channel so that they will see how our PDF works. So all you just need to do is just message me to know the price and you can get your own copy. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.